How to remove shows from continue watching on Peacock. If you're a Peacock user and you're tired of seeing unwanted shows in your continue watching list, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily remove shows from the continue watching section. So let's get started. First, open the Peacock app. This can be done on your phone, tablet, smart TV or desktop, whichever you're using. Once you're on the Peacock home screen, scroll down a bit and you should see the continue watching section. This is where Peacock keeps track of all the shows and movies you've started but haven't finished yet. Now, find the show you want to remove. For example, if you are going to remove this show from your list, what you need to do is to remove the show, simply hover over or click on the show you want to get rid of. On most devices, you'll see 3 vertical dots, the option menu. Go ahead and click on those and simply tap on remove from continue watching list. Just click that and it will be gone from your list. And that's it. That's how you successfully remove unwanted shows from your continue watching list on Peacock.